Alright you guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install your ceramic blade on your 357 Magnum. I'm sure that some of you guys are probably getting these in the mail and you're probably wondering what's going on, so I just want to show you guys something real quick. This is the box that you're going to get when you get your ceramic blade. When you open it, however, there is going to be a little curved ball here. You're going to have your blade and you're going to have this little plastic piece. Alright, I'm not sure why they give you this plastic piece, but it is definitely not part of it, which is kind of why I wanted to make the video, to stop anybody from being confused. So yeah, we're going to get started right now. I'm going to show you how to take off your old blade and put your new blade on. Okay, so here I have my 357 Magnum with the regular blade on here. We're just going to go ahead, we're going to take that off real quick. Keep a little bit of pressure on the blade because there's a pretty heavy spring back here so that it doesn't go flying like that. Okay, so here's your old blade, that's your old cutting blade. If your little plastic piece came off, or if not, it's still going to be on there in some cases. If it comes off, that's okay, but I'm just going to leave it on there, and I'll just show you that here's your ceramic blade. You just want to fit it into that same spot. We're going to leave that plastic piece on, and again, just to remind you, we are not using the plastic piece that they sent with you in here. So after that, you're just going to take your comb blade, put it on top of your moving blade, your cutting blade, and we're just going to zero gap them like usual. So I'll put the bolts back in and zero gap them the way that I've showed you in many previous videos, but very easy to do, especially with these clipper blades. I'll slide that down all the way, make sure that it's straight, make sure that it's not crooked, because it's going to be cutting a lot more efficiently if it's not crooked. And we will go ahead, we will tighten this back up. Perfect. So far I've been experimenting around with this blade. I've actually been using it like this for a little while. It's working pretty well. Pretty soon I'm going to do a full review on these, so please stick around. And if you like this Barber jacket, this is coming from Barber Strong. These are the dopest jackets in the industry, the best smocks, the best capes, and all around great people. So go to barberstrong.com, check those people out. And if anybody wants to save 15% on the Caliber clippers until July 31st of 2019, you can head over to caliberprocorp.com and you can go ahead and select what you want, purchase it, and at the checkout you're going to go ahead and put that code EDDIE in, that's EDDIE, and that'll give you 15% off. I'll catch you guys in another video. I'm out. Peace.